Hello all, hi, once again back to my channel. Welcome back to my other content. In this content I'm going to show you how can you start your speaking English. This topic is too much crucial for every beginner who wants to learn English but they can't find a solution. What the best place to start speaking English. In this video I will teach you how can you start speaking English with very easily and speak confidently and very naturally. And this is best time for let's begin. Don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us you and me. People are searching how can I start speaking English, but there is no better way to start speaking English. In this video I will teach you what is the best place to starting speaking English. Do you know, or do you know what is the best place, or which is the best place to practice speaking English? Don't worry, this video is for you. Step 1 is you must have start right now, even now, not tomorrow or not day after tomorrow or not even then, not night time. There is no fixed time to learn English. You just need to start in this place. Step 2 is you must have practice. That there is no alternative about practice because practice makes you perfect. Don't worry about your mistake because mistake are proof that you are trying to do new thing. So you must have practice, like your surrounding, your backward, your towards, your in front, your inside, your outside, every side. You must have described in English. This is the best way to learn English. And step 3 is think in English. Think in English and your mind will train your brain with English. This is the best topics and this is the best way to learn English. Think in English, like this is a paper and this paper size is maybe A4. I'm not sure. This paper size is maybe A4 or probably A4 size paper. Now I will write on this paper like what's your vision, what's your mission, who I am, what is my vision, what is my mission. Now I will write here, like you can write here, my name is Shishir. My name is Shishir. You can like here this kind of brief. My name is Shishir, or you can only Shishir. Isaya. This is the best way to practice to learn English. And step 4 is self-confidence. You must have awareness about self-confidence because your confidence is the key to any kind of new language. Step 4 is consistency. Consistency is the key to learn any kind of new things. So you must have consistency, your passion, your work, and your mission and vision. If your mission is only I want to be English communication course, that time you must have consistency with the passion. And step 5 is fear of mistake. Don't worry about your mistake. Don't worry about your fear, like is this English is wrong or right. Don't worry this kind of mistakes because mistakes are proof that you're trying to do new thing. People are laughing, doesn't matter, they are laughing. This is a very simple method. So thank you everyone for watching this kind of content. I can't follow this content and I strongly believe that your English speaking journey will start very soon. And right now, if you start right now, that is your best question, or that is best for your career about English speaking. So thank you everyone for watching this kind of content. See you very soon with another content. Bye.